Sweden experienced massive snowfall, with some areas receiving over 30 centimeters of snow in just 24 hours. The heavy snowfall caused widespread disruptions to transportation and infrastructure, and led to the closure of schools and businesses. The snowfall was caused by a low-pressure system that moved across the country from the west. The system brought strong winds and cold temperatures, which combined to create the heavy snowfall. The snowfall was particularly heavy in the northern and central parts of Sweden. In the northern city of Umeå, over 40 centimeters of snow fell in just 24 hours. The heavy snowfall also caused power outages and road closures in many areas. The Swedish Meteorological and Hydrological Institute, SMHI, issued a red warning for heavy snowfall in several parts of the country. The red warning is the highest level of warning issued by SMHI, and it indicates that there is a risk of serious damage to property and infrastructure. The heavy snowfall in Sweden is a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being prepared for severe weather events. If you are planning to visit Sweden in the winter, be sure to pack warm clothes and boots, and be prepared for the possibility of heavy snowfall. Here are some tips for staying safe during a snowstorm. Stay indoors if possible. If you must go outside, dress warmly and wear layers of clothing. Be careful walking and driving in icy conditions. Allow extra time for travel. Be aware of the signs of hypothermia and frostbite. Check on elderly neighbors and relatives.